The Fruity Flangus is a simple version of Fruity Flanger, but it produces results just as stunning. This is a great tool to use for a quick flanger effect when you start understanding where and when to use the flanger in your music. One thing that I want to point out is that there are no rules, and if it sounds good, then by all means insert the effect and make it work. The first setting is the order window, which can be adjusted by clicking and dragging up or down. This will add thickness to the flanger as you increase the amount of flangers running and give a smoother sound to the effect overall. The depth slider will give your output sound a deeper feel to it by increasing the amplitude of pitch oscillation for the flangers. The speed slider will determine the speed of pitch oscillation, and the delay slider will control the delay applied to the flangers. The spread slider is a smoothing tool for the flangers, so if you're hearing something that you don't like about how the flangers are working with each other, try adjusting the setting. The stereo cross slider allows you to send more of the left channel into the final output when slid up, or more of the right channel to the final output when slid down, and will be a mixture of both when sitting in the middle. The dry and wet sliders are similar to other plugins, but when both sliders are in the middle, no sound will play. The top is the signal being sent to the output normally, while the bottom of the slider is the inverted signal being sent to the output.